the Sullivan Managed Service is designed to protect the critical power infrastructure your organization relies on. It's a complete package of support that will give you total confidence in the power supporting your IT power infrastructure. You'll have access to technical support, advice and guidance from the UK's leading provider of power protection systems. We'll ensure that your business has the power it needs to perform. Securing your power infrastructure. We start with a power audit. Our experts will visit your office and conduct a thorough assessment of your systems. They'll find ways to secure your power supply, cut operating costs, and optimize your infrastructure. We can quickly diagnose any weak points in your system and, more importantly, resolve them. Ongoing support. We'll create a power map, a visual aid to understand your system. It gives you and us an intelligent insight into your power systems, processes, and equipment. It ensures we're able to quickly diagnose any faults and offer expert advice. Features of our managed service. We offer 3 service packages that can be tailored to your business. Features of our managed service include a detailed power audit and power map, business continuity planning advice and guidance, 24-hour technical support, rapid on-site response, preventative maintenance and user training. Hundreds of businesses trust us to safeguard their power systems. We're the UK's leading supplier of power protection systems. Built for your business, Sullivan Managed Service is the ultimate in power protection.